Hello and welcome to another episode in Kajabi in 5 minutes. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Pro plan in Kajabi. Now, the Pro plan is a beast of a plan. It is $400 a month. And yes, you do get a 20% discount if you go annually, bringing it down to $319 equivalent per month, but it's still a lot. And this is for you if you've just got a really big business. The contact limit is up to 100,000. So if you've got a giant email list, then, probably $500 a month is all right because you've got lots of people that are buying your stuff and it makes sense. But let's get into more of the details to help you understand what this plan is all about. So in the Pro plan, aside from the 100,000 contacts, you get unlimited products. So this is a huge change from the old plan of having a 100 product limit, or from the new growth plan of having 50 products. Now you get unlimited products. So really, the sky's the option here. You can sell a lot of stuff with this plan. The other change in quota limits is you get 3 communities with unlimited access groups. The reason there's 3 is because you get 3 websites, and that's been a standard for the Pro plan forever. But 3 websites should have 3 communities, 1 for each website, which makes sense. And like all the communities in Kajabi's plans, you get unlimited access groups. So that's awesome. Really, the Pro plan is for people who either A, are using more than one website. So if you're actually running 2 businesses at once, the Pro plan could work out pretty great because instead of having the growth plan twice, do the Pro plan and get 2, 3 websites, so still 1 extra, unlimited products, unlimited everything basically except contacts, and you just get it in 1 account. So that could make sense. And you can actually get up to 3 businesses running out of a Pro plan at one time, which is pretty neat. Now, where Kajabi added some new stuff into the Pro plan is in the features. So you get a dedicated success manager from Kajabi. I don't actually know what that means, but basically there's a human being in Kajabi that you get to talk to. They're basically yours. I'm sure you share them with other people, but it's the same person. So that can be pretty helpful. Another thing that you get is the API, and this is a new feature as well for this plan. So that is pretty cool. And you get, this is a big one, you get the branded mobile app for free. That's usually $199 add-on, but now it's included. So you might be thinking, okay, well, I am a Pro user. I don't want to pay an extra $100 a month in the new plan just for unlimited products. I wasn't using my 100 anyways, so I didn't need that. But you do get the branded mobile app for free, and that's a $200 monthly value. The plan is only increasing by $100. And that branded mobile is supposedly pretty cool. I haven't used it or worked with anyone who has, but it is supposedly pretty cool. And so that could be an interesting feature. Now, the Pro plan also comes with all of the things that the growth plan does. So the cohort courses, the universal inbox, the comment to DM, all of that stuff. You get the code editor as a new feature. This was in the old plan, but it is still in this plan. You get the code editor, which if you've got development skills on your team, code-based dev skills, then this is going to be really good for you to just make everything the way that you want it to be. Really customize every aspect of your Kajabi experience. So that can be great for you. One new feature I forgot to mention is they've added video transcription and translation. So all of your stuff can be translated into different languages. So I don't know what languages those are, but that is a pretty neat feature that everything can be transcribed and translated automatically. So the growth plan is, again, just a really big plan. It basically gives you 3 accounts of Kajabi all wrapped into one, plus the branded mobile app, plus the API, plus the video transcription translation, plus the code editor. And you get it all for $499 a month. So it's just a lot of value. It really is what it is. And you might be thinking, well, that's just so expensive. Well, sure. If it's not what you need, then it is. But if you need all that stuff, then it's actually probably quite cheap compared to your options. And you get all of Kajabi's best stuff. So that is the Pro plan. in a nutshell. And if you've got any questions about Kajabi, don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to hear from you. You can email me at jd@thecoachsupport.com. You can go to my website, check some stuff out there, www.thecoachsupport.com. I'd love to hear from you. If you've got a request for an episode here on Kajabi in 5 minutes, let me know. I'd love to answer those questions that you've got. So thanks for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.